Hey, future developers! Want to contribute to open source and gain real-world experience? Here are 5 awesome open source programs perfect for college students.
First, Google Summer of Code. GSOC pairs students with open source organizations for a summer project. A great way to learn, contribute, and earn a stipend. Second, Outreachy, an inclusive program for underrepresented groups in tech. You'll work on open source projects and get paid for your contributions. Third, the MLH Fellowship by Meta. Work on open source with a community of passionate hackers, perfect for those who love coding with mentorship. Fourth, GirlScript Summer of Code, a 3-month program for beginners and experienced coders, ideal for getting your hands dirty in real open source contributions. And finally, the 5th Hacktoberfest by DigitalOcean. Contribute to projects in October, complete pull requests, and earn cool swag like t-shirts and great mentorship by industry peers. Which one are you joining? GSOC Outreachy MLH Fellowship by Meta GirlScript Summer of Code, Hacktoberfest by DigitalOcean. Hit like, follow, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. And stay tuned for 5 more open source programs in the next short.